Fusilli with cream, ham, and peas is a quick and tasty dish that brings together classic flavors of Italian cuisine. The sweetness of the peas perfectly marries the savory flavor of cooked ham, while the cream adds creaminess and envelops all the ingredients in a delicate embrace. Perfect for a midweek dinner or an informal meal with friends, these fusilli are a simple and satisfying solution that doesn't skimp on taste. Ingredients: 400 grams of fusilli, 200 grams of cooked ham, diced, 200 grams of peas, fresh or frozen, 250 milliliters of cooking cream, 1 small onion, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, grated Parmesan cheese, optional. Preparation: bring a pot of abundant salted water to boil. Approximately 1 liter of water and 10 grams of salt for every 100 grams of pasta. Cook the fusilli according to the package instructions to achieve an al dente texture. While the pasta is cooking, finely chop the onion. In a large pan, heat the extra virgin olive oil over medium heat and add the chopped onion. Sauté until it becomes translucent but not burnt. Add the peas to the pan with the onion and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. If using fresh peas, they might need a few more minutes until they become tender. If you prefer, you can use a little water to aid the cooking of the peas. Add the diced cooked ham to the pan and mix well. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the ham is well heated. Pour the cooking cream into the pan, mixing well to combine all the ingredients. Let it cook on low heat for about 5 minutes until the sauce slightly thickens. Adjust salt and pepper to taste. Once the fusilli are cooked al dente, drain them and transfer directly into the pan with the sauce. Mix well to ensure the pasta is well coated with the creamy sauce. Turn off the heat and, if desired, add a sprinkling of grated Parmesan cheese for a final touch of flavor. Serve the fusilli with cream, ham, and peas immediately, and enjoy this simple yet delicious dish. Curiosities: you can personalize this dish by adding other ingredients like sautéed mushrooms, a touch of nutmeg in the cream for a more pronounced flavor, or substituting the cooked ham with smoked pancetta for a more rustic touch. Additionally, if you prefer a lighter version, you can replace part of the cream with milk.